So welcome back. Today I'm just gonna make a short video on how to adjust your parking brake. First thing to notice, this is a Mitsubishi Lancer, and to get this the brake drum loose, you need to, there's two holes, one here and one there. It's threaded, and you use a nut with a number 13 to loosen. You first start that one, go as far as you can, then you go over to that one, and by that way you will just jamming it off. I've already pre-loosened this one, just show you that this is the one that fits in there, so it will push the brake drum off, so it makes life easier for you. You don't have to smack it with a hammer. Okay, so I've already pre-loosened this one. So let me show you just how to do this. This right here, this is the adjuster. So when you push the screwdriver upwards to against the cylinder, then you just do 2 clicks. 1, 2 clicks, and then you test it again. Don't overdo this, otherwise you will not be able to fit your drums back again. Otherwise you have to take everything apart and redo it. So I only did 2 turns. Now let's see how it fits. It goes on very nice and snug now. You can do a little bit more, but for me that's fine. So I'm going to do the other side on my own. So I'm not going to show that side because it's exactly the same, but let's do one more turn and see what happens. Only 1 click. So again you over there, you push it as far as back you can at a 45 angle and just push the wheel towards you, and there's a click. So now let's test again. I think we can do another one, maybe 2. So let's do 2 clicks. So let's do 2 clicks now. 1, 2. So remember, don't go too far, otherwise you've got to take everything off just to do this again. That's much better. So I hope that this was helpful for you. So leave a like, a comment, subscribe if you want to, and have a nice day.